From where?
Hello. From
US.
He is from where? Sorry. He is from Italy.
Italy.
But he wants us to guess his nationality.
Oh.
As you know, not everybody in Italy are Italians.
Yeah, I know that.
So, if I were to, basing myself on your eyes and your very chiseled nose, unlike ours, it's hammered. Yeah, I would like to say that you are somewhat you have this influence from the Middle East.
Pwede.
Is correct because I come from Sicily and there is a mix
Ah,
of...
que porque, Espanyol.
Hoy.
Parang Espanyol.
Italian siya.
Que porque, gracias.
No, I would just like to say that you are obviously with a very lovely Filipina. Is she your wife? No, your girlfriend. Sir, your operation. Oh, they are actually your colleagues. Are you seeing someone?
Yeah,
A Filipina?
yeah.
Congratulations.
Why?
You know what? You should marry a Filipina.
Why, Maki?
Pursue that relationship with a Filipina. Filipinas happen to be the best homemaker in the whole wide world. Tama?
Totoo.
Palakpakan nyo ang mga Pilipinas.
Ang mga Pilipina.
You should marry a Filipina, sir. You will never go wrong having a Filipina. But you know what? You should also try Filipinos. We are better than Filipinas.
Yes.
As they say, a man knows what a man needs, baby.
Hey, baby, you should try me.
Why?
Come on, eat all you can.
Hoy, hindi ka naman pagkain. Ikaw
Ay, di ba
talaga.
kakain? No.
Thank you so
I'm
much,
just kidding.
Maximo.
Thank you.
Friends, give him a big hand. Palakpakan naman natin si Maximo.
Oo.
Okay. So, Negi, eto na. Samahan mo muna ako.
Oo.
Guys, isa munang malakas sa
Uy,
palakpakan.
thank you guys.
For
Invite ko
Negi.
lang sila. Ayan, araw-araw po ay ang bago mag-Inday Bote. Kapamilya, deal or no deal, manood po kayo. Tapos abangan nyo po ako mag-guest po. Guest po kami ni Darla sa Gandang Gabi Vice. Baka sa Sunday po ipalabas yan. At may ginawa po akong movie. Yung Manoy po, panoorin nyo po. Sana kumintayin po kayo. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Alam nyo kami pong mga entertainer. At sabi nga na may kasabihan kami na hindi kahit na wag na kami bayaran, palakpakan lang po kami. Masaya na po kami. Pwede po ba makarinig po ng palakpakan? Thank you.
Alam mo,
Salamat,
Negi,
boss.
I have a good news for you.
Oh.
Dahil sa sinabi mong palakpakan ka lang kahit wag ka nang bayaran, yun ang mangyayari. Okay?
Talaga ba? Tandaan mo, kilala ko pamilya mo.
Sasamahan mo ako ngayon, my best
Okay.
friend. Siyempre, tatawagin natin ngayon ang ilan pa sa ating mga awardees for
Ay,
tonight.
oo.
We will go back to our awarding. Friends, are you all having fun tonight? Ay, naku, ang hina
Parang
pa rin ang
mahina.
sagot. Are you all having fun tonight? Very good.
Go, tawagin na natin.
To receive awards from us, let's go back to the recipient of the best quality customized cakes. Congratulations to Green Leaves Cakes and Pastries.
Palakpakan.
And to
of course,
present the award, we would like to call, of course, our beloved President
Yes.
Ramirez,
Thank
Andrew
you, sir.
Ramirez. And of course, to be joined by the very handsome Jet Alcantara.
oh my God.
Now naalala mo na siya.
Oo.
Di ba? Ang gwapo pa rin, ano? Hi,
Nice-
Jet.
Nice meeting you.
Excuse me,
Ay, sorry,
excuse me.
sorry.
Pleasure to meet you, Jet. Ang gwapo.
Gwapo ng tangkad.
Right. Oh, eto, Negi, yung recipient natin na yan are from Green Leaves Cakes and Pastries.
Wow.
Best quality customized cakes.
Congratulations, madam. Picture, ready, 1, 2, ready. Ready, 1, ready, 2.
Huy!
Ready, okay. Tapos
Tapos
na pala,
na.
sorry.
And of course, kanina rin na binbin sa atin yung kaibigan natin from Surigao del Sur. The recipient of the best beach resort, Lisville Resorts.
Yes, from
Yes.
all the way from
Surigao del Sur.
del Sur.
Nasaan yung mga taga Lisville? Ma'am, gusto ko makapunta dyan.
Oo.
Pwede?
Pwede
Promise,
kami
ma'am,
dyan.
ha?
Ay, oo, gusto ko yan. Saka yung sa Jeds.
Alam mo, pwede tayo mag-show dyan sa
Oo.
Surigao. No, ma'am? Maraming mga mababait dyan.
Uy, maganda raw dun sa Jeds.
Oo, sa Jeds, Bulacan din.
Oo,
Bulacan naman. Pero iba pa rin ang Surigao. Beach naman kanila. Ang Jeds kasi different pools yan. Maganda din doon. Naku, sobra.
Congratulations,
Nakapunta na ako
madam. And picture. 1, 2, ready.
Huy!
Ready, 1, 2, ready. Okay, tapos na. Sorry. And this time, tawagin na natin ang ating best alternative medicines provider. Congratulations to Mabuhay Wellness.
Alright.
Palakpakan naman po. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay Wellness, congratulations. Receiving the seal of product quality, we have Margie's Cakes and Pastries.
Wow.
Looks like our friends from Mabuhay Wellness are here. Please
Yes.
join us. Hello. Ay, beautiful people nga, oh.
Oo.
They all look well.
Correct. Yan na sila, sir. And this time, habang hinihintay natin sila, nakakatuwa dito, no?
Oh, bakit?
Wala lang, nasabi ko lang yon.
To receive the seal of product quality, congratulations to Mark and Marcy Corporation or the so-called Martha's Cakes.
Wow, ang sarap.
Yan. Alam mo ba ang Margie's Cakes and Pastries came all the way from Bacolod pa?
Ay, oh. Ay, naku,
Nakagagaling lang natin dyan.
Kagagaling lang po namin dyan sa Bacolod ni Maki. Ang ganda-ganda ng Bacolod, no?
Oo, linis.
Oo.
Yan,
Ayan, ano lang po,
compressed daw
closer.
po.
Opo.
Yan.
Ay, sige po. Sino ang susunod?
Hindi siya si Boy Abunda.
Akala ko si Boy Abunda yung dumating. Sorry po. Sorry, sir. Biro lang.
Oo nga, mas
gwapo.
pogi siya.
Mas
no?
pogi. Sige po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po. Salamat po. And this time,
Ito, minor sponsor natin to.
Okay.
Receiving the Best Sodium Ascorbate Brand Award.
ito rin. Ay, nandito rin pala.
But before that, we have Margie's Cakes and Pastries all the way from Bacolod.
Oo. Hi.
Oo.
Bacolod.
We were able to mention that.
Ang ng mga taga-Bacolod.
Oo, ang babait.
No?
Oo.
Saka yung tono nung pagsasalita nila.
Oo, iba, no?
Oo. Hindi mo nalalaman kung nag-aaway na sila o ano. Kasi sobrang lambing talaga.
Alright.
Sure.
So, to continue, recipient of the Best Sodium Ascorbate Brand Award. Congratulations to Maximum.
Maximum.
Yan. I hope I pronounced that
Oo.
correctly. We have friends from Maximum.
Oo, si...
Ang cute, no? Imbis na maximum siya, yung C.
Oo. Double
Kasi
E.
vitamin C din to eh.
Oo.
Ascorbic acid. Sodium ascorbate.
Congratulations, sir.
Alam mo, I don't know if my information is serving me right. Pero sabi nila, it's better to take sodium ascorbate acid rather than taking a vitamin C alone. Kasi, ano daw, this helps the digestion.
Totoo yan. Nabasa ko rin yan sa Google.
Talaga? Ikaw, makaano ka na.
And
eh.
this time, let's call on...
The Best Hospital Equipments Distributor.
Tawagin na natin ang Medical Depot.
Spell Depot.
Basta, wala naman sila. So, dire-diretso tayo.
Another minor sponsor.
Correct.
Thank you
Ayan.
so much and congratulations for receiving the Best,
Best
Bake
Bake
Shop
Shop
Award. Mercy Bake
Big
Shop.
Shop.